Hey, okay, so when you're editing these areas, I'm going to show you how to make this text look like this. A way to check just for future for you to make it kind of easy. If you look at one of the other section that's formatted like that, you click in that section, and then you go to Advanced. You're going to see this little thing that says Class Round. That's all it is. It adds some special code to make those sections do that. So now I'm going to go to that page that you had created. Go to Edit. Go to that bottom little section, just click on Advanced, and I'm going to paste in the class round, and voila, watch it happen. Now all the top stuff is formatted. Now these bottom sections, the only other thing that needs to happen there is, so if I go back to one of these other pages, I have to look at this here and see on the text there's a formatting applied there, so that one's got an H1 and that one's got an H4, so we just need to add those also. On the other page I did do these as separate sections, but here we go. If I do this as a H1, formatting, it's been a while since I've been in this system. I kind of use a different system now. So this top one, format, H1, that was at H4. Now see, it looks like it got the other section too as an H4, which we don't want that. Just see how it looks when it's done. I'm not seeing it look completely like that. I don't know if there was some kind of weird formatting going on there. Yep, that's just an H1. I didn't get the formatting as an H1 there. Sometimes what'll happen if it's not at the top of the page, it can be stubborn. H1s are supposed to be at the top of the page. I'm going to just take all this out and start it as a new section. See if there's something going on with whatever was in there before. This is good learning though, you get to see a few new things. So I'm just starting fresh now. Now it's all clean. I took out any formatting that was in there. I'm going to class, typing in round, going back to text, putting this top section. Another thing you could do too, only do this the easier way for you. Format, headers, H1, bingo. Now that one's changing. Let's see how it looks down there. Yeah, so now it's working right. There was just something weird with your formatting that was going on there before. So if I take that out, we got that as an H1. And then I want this one as an H4. Okay. And I hit that return because sometimes when they're next to each other, it likes to drop formatting to the next paragraph. So I just took that one out there. That's looking like it should. I'm going to save the changes. That whole bottom section is good. I'm just going to delete these two that were tight together. They're a little bit different on the other pages actually. So I'm going to take out all this here. And I don't even think that top section was rounded. I'm going to take out the round. And let's look at the other pages to see if it's the same now. Now, since we added this is a little tight. I might have to do some more custom code to space this over because that one's so big. Let's look. Yeah, that looks just like the other ones. So that page is now the same as the other ones. Your other question was about these layouts. Those are something I would just have to program in. I can program in as many different areas as we want here. These two could easily, within a few minutes, I could move this 3 up, or I can add, we'll really probably have to add more new areas down here. But let me know if you need me to add new areas, I can do that. Edit text format, header font, Office Warehouse, add graphics. So it looks like I got everything done. Let me know if you need anything else. We'll talk to you a little later.